Welcome for another video presentation in continuation with the topic prosecution pillar. No? So let us try to answer this question to understand who among the or who can conduct preliminary investigation, who are those individuals who are authorized to conduct preliminary investigation. No? So the question says, who among the following who can conduct preliminary investigation? No? So sino po sa kanila ang hindi pwedeng mag-conduct ng preliminary investigation? That is the question. No? So is provincial or city prosecutor allowed? No? Or judges of the MTC or MCTC, are they not allowed? Okay. Graph investigator officer or regional state prosecutors, or none of them. Okay, so the correct answer here is actually letter E, no? So there none of the above. So why none of the above? Because all of the four stated choices or stated individuals, they are allowed to conduct preliminary investigation. So under the existing law, no? So, the following may conduct preliminary investigation. So, yung sa unang choice natin kanina, si provincial or city prosecutor and their assistants or authorized assistants can conduct preliminary investigation. So, who else? Nandyan din si judge ng municipal trial court or municipal circuit trial courts, no? They are also allowed to conduct preliminary investigation. Okay, and we have here also national and regional state prosecutors. Allowed din po sila, or they are also authorized to conduct preliminary investigation. Okay, and lastly, other officers authorized by law. So sino yung mga pwedeng sino yung mga officers na yun? An example would be the graph investigator officers and special prosecution officers ng Office of the Ombudsman, especially if the individual being charged of a case is a public officer. Okay, public officer, usually issue of a public officer who is involved in graft and corruption, no? They are the ones who are being tried under the Sandigan Bayan, okay, and or under the Office of the Ombudsman. Okay, so with that, they are those individuals who are allowed, okay, to conduct or authorized by law to conduct preliminary investigation. So wag po nating kakalimutan yung mga nabanggit. Okay, so this time let us try to compare also complaint versus information. So napapiawan last time, on the last video recording. So let us try to define, differentiate, no? Complaint and information. So as we have said, no, pag sinabi pong complaint, that is signed by the offended party. Okay, offended party or yung biktima, no, or kung involved man na killing incident naman yan at saka namatay yung tao, no, then maybe a relative or maybe any peace officer, okay, and other public officer charged with the enforcement of the law violated. So kunwari na violate mo ay ang batas regarding environment, no? So maybe the office of the DNR officer from the DNR may file a case against you, okay, or on your organization. Okay, so yan ay sa complaint, no? Tandaan po natin, signed by those three individuals, okay, mentioned. Okay, pag sinabi naman nating information, wag natin kakalimutan that is always signed only by the fiscal or the prosecutor or an authorized prosecuting officer. Okay, so basic difference when it comes to who is going to sign the complaint or who is going to subscribe the complaint, no, and information. Tandaan po natin, okay, complaint by the offended party yan or any peace officer. Okay, information, that is the one that is being submitted or subscribed by the fiscal, okay, and or the prosecutor, and that is to be submitted to the court. Okay, so what else is another difference, no? The complaint is sworn to by the person signing it, no? Whereas the information need to be under oath. The reason therefore being principally that the prosecuting officer filing it is charged with the special duty in regard thereto. Okay, and is acting under the special responsibility of his oath. Okay, so complaint is signed by the person signing it, no? Or depende kung sino man yon yung either dun sa nabanggit natin kanina or dito, no? Yung tatlong yon. Okay, and then the information, it is before it is being filed by the prosecutor, it should be, no? They should evaluate, okay, yung nasubmit sa kanila na mga data, okay, or supporting the claim, okay, of the complainant or of the offended party, okay, or the peace officer. So it may not be under oath, okay, by the it is not necessary that it should be uh, proceeded under oath by the uh, prosecutor. Okay, so nabanggit naman, no, they are they are really, okay, or yan talaga ay parang trabaho nila. Okay, so there is no need to make the information, okay, proper. There is no need to be subjected that person under oath, okay, or the prosecutor under oath. Okay, so that is the other difference. For number 3, complaint may be filed either with the fiscal's office, no, or the court, while information is always filed with the court only. Okay, so basic difference again. Complaint, pwede nating i-file yan sa fiscal's office or sa court. Okay, so ano yung dahilan? Kasi kung maalala niyo yung code natin na sabi natin, yung 4Y2M, okay, and then 1D, no? So it stands for 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day. Sila yung required na makanda. If the case is punishable by 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day, they are mandatorily subjected for preliminary investigation. Okay, and then meron naman yung mga cases not falling under 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day, they can be directly filed to the court. Okay, without preliminary investigation. Pero ang information, yan ay laging fino-forward ng prosecutor sa court only, no? So kailan nila i-forward, no? So that will be discussed further on the following slide.